Our train leaves from platform 6.
Let's keep together, it's crowded today.
I can't wait to see the seaside town.
Me too! I want to collect shells again.
This train departs in 2 minutes. That's us. Let's hurry, everyone.
Zoe, Sam, stay close to us.
We're right behind you, Dad.
Whoa, a circus poster. That looks so cool. I'll just look for 1 second.
Come on, everyone, quickly now.
I've got Zoe. Sam, are you right behind us?
I think so. It's really crowded.
Wait! Wait for me! Mom! Dad! I'm still here! It's gone. The train is really gone. Sam? Sam, where are you?
He's not here! He didn't make it on!
He must still be at the station.
We have to get off at the next stop, now!
Stay close.
Together. Stay close. Together. We'll find him, I promise. Dad said if we're ever separated, find someone in a uniform. I need to find a station worker. I can do this. I'll stay calm. Someone in a uniform. Someone in a uniform. There, by the information booth.
Hello there, young man. Are you all right?
My family got on the train without me.
Okay, don't worry. You did exactly the right thing coming here.
Can you help me find them?
This is the station desk. We have a child left behind. Please check if a family is missing a young boy.
Do you think they'll find them?
I'm confident we will. Let's wait together.
Excuse me, our son didn't make it onto the train.
I just received word from the station about this.
He's safe? They found him?
Yes, he's with our station attendant right now. This is the station desk. We have a child left behind. Please check if a family is missing a young boy.
Do you think they'll find them?
I'm confident we will. Let's wait together.
We need a train going back right away.
There's one on platform 2, leaving in 5 minutes.
Is Sam really okay, Dad?
Yes, sweetheart. He's safe. Let's go get him. How are you feeling now, young man?
Better, thank you. I know they're coming.
That's exactly right. You did everything correctly today.
I remembered what my dad told me. Hello there. I heard we have a brave young traveler here. That's me, I guess. You handled this perfectly. I'm proud of you.
His family should be arriving very soon.
Trust.
Helper. Calm.
Trust. Helper. Calm. That's what got me through today. Where is the information booth?
This way. I remember seeing it earlier.
I don't see him yet. We're close. I can feel it. There he is! I see him! Sam!
There's our boy.
Mom, Dad, Zoe, I missed you! We missed you too, sweetheart. I'm so sorry.
We were so worried. Are you okay?
I'm okay. I stayed calm, just like you. Thank you so much for taking care of him.
He was very brave. He knew exactly what to do. We can't thank you enough, truly. That's what we're here for. I'm just glad he's safe.
It was wonderful to see him stay so brave.
Thank you for helping my brother.
Of course. That's exactly what we're here for. We're so grateful to both of you today.
I am so sorry we didn't notice you weren't with us.
It's okay, Dad. I knew you'd come back for me.
From now on, we hold hands every time we board.
I'd like that. It'll feel safer. From now on, we hold hands boarding any train or bus.
And we count heads before the doors close.
I'll hold your hand every time, Sam. Deal. I like that plan.
Everyone holding hands? Let's count.
1, 2, 3, 4. Everyone's here.
All present and accounted for. Nice one, Sam. I can see the ocean already. Not much further now. I'm just glad we're all together for this.
Me too. Let's not repeat today's excitement.
Look at this shell I found, Zoe. That's a beautiful one. Let's find more together. They're inseparable today.
Exactly how it should be.
Safe. Found. Reunited. Safe. Found. Reunited. That's how today ended.
All right, everyone. Hands held tight this time too.
Got it, Dad. Zoe's got my hand.
Not letting go until we're all seated.
That's exactly the plan. We're all on, safe and sound.
That felt so much better this time.
Practice makes perfect, buddy.
Let's find our seats.
What a day this turned out to be.
One we'll never forget, that's for sure.
I'm glad it ended with all of us together.
Me too. Let's go home and rest. Crowded places can be tricky, even for grown-ups. That's why we always hold hands and count heads now. And if we ever get separated, find someone in a uniform.
I'll remember that too, just in case.
I'm glad you found me today, Mom.
We will always find you, Sam. Always. I'll remember to stay close next time.
That's all we ask, sweetheart. Good night.
You stayed so calm and helped us today, Zoe.
I was really scared for Sam.
That fear showed how much you love him.
I'm just glad we're all safe now. Look at all my shells from yesterday. We should make something with them together.
What a lovely idea for this weekend.
Let's plan our next trip carefully this time.
We brought you both some cookies.
That's very thoughtful of you, Sam.
You didn't have to do this, but thank you. We wanted you to know how grateful we are. I'll always remember that day. Staying calm really did help me. I'm glad I know what to do now.